So today in Unit 5 we are going to see the important topic transportation system management. Under that today we are going to see traffic system management, that is called as TSM, which is going to be the very important topic in the last unit. So scope and traffic management. The scope of traffic management system is urban street carrying traffic volume for which they were not designed. So this is the main problem. So results is delay, congestion, and causes of which leads to causing accident. So how we are going to control this, the above said problems through traffic management techniques and a few traffic controls and some regulatory measures. So which is called as traffic system management. So few examples are restrictions on turning movements, that is, and which is given in this diagram. The turning movements, that is free left or free left, which can be altered like this, staggered. One-way streets, that is direction traffic is allowed only through one direction. Tidal flow operations, that is timing can be changed. Exclusive bus lane, which is separate bus lane, has to be provided exclusively, and I think in our country Pune they are following this exclusive bus lane. And closing side streets, when you close the side street, only if the straight ahead road is traffic is permitted, most 90% of the traffic can be reduced. So restriction on turning movements, as we have seen, the images are self-explanatory, that is A, B, and C, which gives the detailed explanation here. So by this method, nearly around 70% of the traffic congestion can be reduced. So one-way streets, so where the traffic can be permitted only in one direction, the advantages are increased capacity, speed, and reduction in points of conflicts. Conflict points is nothing but where possibility for a problem to occur, so that can be avoided, and improvement in parking facilities. So there will be few disadvantages also, that is which affects the business area. Bus stop we have that has to be relocated, and since one streets are closed, actual distance to a particular point will definitely will increase. And tidal flow operations, there are two methods: extra lane for inbound and outbound traffics towards the city and away from the city, or two parallel streets wider for specific peak hours, and which can be preferred used for emergency vehicles. Closing all the side streets, that is only where main lane or main road is permitted to access, and all the side streets will be closed. So thereby we can reduce the congestion or delay in the major streets. So few advantages and disadvantages. So more pedestrian safety can be improved, more parking space at closed streets, so closed streets can be used for parking. Disadvantages, and congestion of parking in side streets, and increased one flow across crossroads. So since the only main street is accessible, there will be more access. Exclusive bus lane, which I said earlier. So like this, a separate lane has to be provided for movement buses, which is currently I have seen in Pune they are following exactly. At the center part, that is at the middle of the part, the passengers will be on board deboard, and they will have a subway underpass to reach the both the ends of the streets. So they no need to cross the road on the open streets. They will have access to subway or underpass. Okay. These are all few traffic management measures, and if these management measures are well adopted, followed, definitely the congestion at some places or all the conflict points or all the major cities can be reduced to a greater extent. Thank you.